Information to help you through stock market trading. The stock market can be an investment dream or an investment nightmare for anyone. For some, the market rewards them with profit and success. For others, the market only rewards them with headaches and loss. You can profit and achieve success with the stock market tips in this video. Be prepared to keep the stocks long term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Many people who are just starting with stock market investments purchase mutual funds. Mutual funds are usually low-risk investments due to their diversification. The beauty of mutual funds is that you obtain a nice range of stocks, and you have a professional who is conducting all the research on the different companies in your investment portfolio. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. As stated before, the market has two sides to it. It can mean success for some, and failure for others. Put the tips from this video to good use, and you can have stock market success, without going through the loss and headaches that other investors experience upon entering the market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.